Hey everyone, it's Christina, and today's project I'm going to be using the Wild Berry, Bright White, and Kiwi chalk paste. I am using the Eek Boo Spooky transfer and the Ghost from the Halloween Fun transfers. I'm putting this on a board that I just picked at the dollar store and waxed up. So you want to make sure you fuzz your transfers and make sure there's no air bubbles anywhere. And I'm using the Kiwi on the Eek, peeling it up and sticking it directly into the water. And then the next one I'm going to do is Spooky. I'm putting it down at the bottom. That way I can center up the boo really good and put it where I would need it or want it. So I'm going to take the Wild Berry and put it on the Spooky. And I love how these two colors go good together. So I'm going to toss that into the water. And then I'm going to put the boo. I'm actually going to heat this just a tad bit so I don't smear it. So then I'm going to put the boo in the center. And I'm going to use the bright white ink on that. And of course, my white was a little too thick that I wanted it. So I just added some water to get it to the consistency I want, which again is the yogurt-like consistency. And I'm going to put it on the word boo. And I love this little project. It's going to look great with my Halloween decor. So I'm really going to dry this one really good because I'm going to put the Ghost transfer on top of it, and then so I don't want it to smear it or smudge it or anything like that. And I'm just going to be using the Ghost. I'm not going to be using the word boo. So I'm very carefully going to put the white paste on there and even it out. If you like this project, please give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to get these products or join my team, please visit my site. It will be down in the description. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you noticed in the Ghost part, I thought it was paste, but it was a piece of fuzz. So I just cleaned it up with a Q-tip with water. Alright guys, talk to you in the next video.